Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix share screen connection lost on PS5 and PS4. Full screen share fix guide. Fix 1 is check your internet connection. Press the PS button and open setting, then go to network. Then test internet connection. Make sure your internet is stable with a good upload speed. If possible, connect your console with an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Try starting share screen again. Second one is restart your PS5 or PS4. Press and hold the power button on your console, then select restart PS5 or restart PS4. Then wait for the console to restart completely. Open the party and try share screen again. Third one is restart your router. Turn off your internet router, then unplug the power cable. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. After the internet reconnects, test screen share again. Fourth one is check PlayStation network. Open your browser or phone, then visit the PlayStation network status page. Check if gaming and social services are working normally. If PSN is having issue, wait until the service is restored. Fifth one is change DNS settings. Open setting, then network, then select setup internet connection. Choose your network and select advanced setting. Set DNS to manual, then enter 8.8.8.8 as the primary DNS and 8.8.4.4 as the secondary DNS. Then save the settings and reconnect to the internet. Thanks for watching.